Guys, welcome back with the last puzzle in this not in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's actually today, Monday February the 12th 2024. Told you earlier there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. The weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 10th 11th 2024, and I've already solved in this additional two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So it's time now for this one. Yes, this one. Come on, come on, come on. Cipher block. Yes, the Suguru. And this one will be number 7991. 7991. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 23 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10. This one has 23. Don't think it's a one star. For one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think this should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star or 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so this box should be a 1. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see here triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 2, and this box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that that box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then the following step is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions, whatever what you name it. Well, here we have one. Let me draw this here. This one, yes. Can I see this? Yeah. When you see this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. We have more of these kind of shapes. Let me check. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? The L shape. Let me draw this here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. One box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. Oh wait, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here. Could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 2, and this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1 or a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 to 5. 4 to 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. This is a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 supposed to be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 5 and a 4, 5 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay. I think this box should be 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 3 to 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 5 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, and now I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 in the same area, so this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yeah. So, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely 4. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Come on. Well, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 3 and 5 is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. Okay, now let me think. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm Need to think now, need to think now. Come on, come on, come on. What's happening? What's happening? Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or a 5. I'm stuck here. 3, 5, 2, 1 or 4. This box. 1 or 4. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Need 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Well, this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. This box can be 2, can be 5, can be 3. So it should be 1 or a 4. This box can be a 3 or a 5, can be a 2, so 1 or a 4. Well, and now, here we have a double 1 and a 4. So the 2 and the 3 and the 5. This box can be 3, so the 3 should be there. 5 could be everywhere. Yeah. Is connected with that box should be so 2 or a 5. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the only place level the 3 is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. That means that those two boxes can be 2 and 4. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. This is reserved for the 2 and the 5. So the 4 goes in these two boxes. Okay, the 4. Well, I need to think here. Think hard. Overlook something. 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Suppose. 5, 5. Okay. 2, 2 could be also. 2 and a 4. Why it's taking so long? I'm stuck here. 13 minutes. Come on. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box can be a 3 anymore. Alright. So the 3 here can be 3. We have a 3 there. The only place level 3 should be there then. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this L shape for area for number 5. 2 and the 5 are left here. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. This one is connected with that box should be also 5. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left for the 3 and the 1. Here, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 1 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Not faster than 14 minutes. Definitely a 1 star then. Alright. We solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow on Tuesday. Have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye-bye for now.